let's take a look at the setup and first use of the Oracle. Enjoying third wave specialty coffee is made possible using the 4 keys formula found inside every Breville Espresso machine. Just like this one. Full-bodied espresso with rich and complex flavors is created using the ideal dose of 18 to 22 grams of freshly ground beans, with a brew water temperature delivered at precisely 93 degrees Celsius, just like a commercial machine. You'll also need the right pressure during the extraction, and this time, bigger is definitely not better. We start with low-pressure pre-infusion, followed by a high-pressure 9-bar extraction process delivered via our 15-bar Italian pump and an overpressure valve. And last but not least, powerful steam pressure at around 130 degrees Celsius is essential for creating shiny, silky microfoam that has a rich, velvety mouthfeel. Without microfoam, latte art is impossible. Right, now let's wash all the parts and accessories and dry thoroughly before use. Soak the filter in water for 5 minutes. Set the new filter to the current month. Pop it into the filter holder. Fit the holder snugly into the bottom of the tank and fill with cold water. Check your water hardness by dipping this test strip into the water tank. You'll use this info shortly. Fit the bean hopper to the top of the machine like this, locking it into place. Place the water tank into the machine. Choosing the right filter basket will help achieve a balanced coffee. Use a 2-cup filter basket when making 2 coffees, or when you want a stronger coffee. On the other hand, if you are making a single cup or a weaker coffee, use the 1-cup filter basket. Now, let's power it up. This will take about 10 minutes the first time you do it. The main LCD will display HRD3, prompting you to set the water hardness level. Programming this will determine the regularity of the change filter alert, which indicates when the water filter in the water tank needs to be replaced. Now that the machine is set up, you're ready to make your first coffee.